Hello, everyone. In our previous session, we talked about topics like selection rounds, interview panels, and recruitment email templates. Now, we will focus on creating a recruitment questionnaire. To access and configure the recruitment questionnaire, first open the menu located on the left side of your home screen. Navigate to the recruitment folder in which we have Recruitment Setup section. Within the Recruitment Setup section, you will find the Recruitment Questionnaire screen. Clicking on this window will direct you to the Questionnaire tab, where you can create and manage your recruitment questionnaires. We can understand how questionnaires can be customized. Star levels means the questionnaire is applicable for all organizations, and for all positions, you will use the same questions. Organization means the questionnaire is created and available for a particular organization. The organization and name fields are required and mandatory. If you leave them blank and try to save, the system will show an error and will not allow you to save the record. The description field is for informational purposes only. The active checkbox determines whether the record is available or not. If it is checked, the record becomes active and accessible within the system. I am going to create a new questionnaire named General Interview Questionnaire. I will save it by clicking the Save icon. You can create multiple questionnaires like this based on each organization's needs. After saving, I will move to the Questions tab to start adding questions for this questionnaire. When I click on the Questions tab, the system takes me to a new form. Here, I will choose the order in which the questions will appear using the sequence field. The questionnaire name will automatically appear from the previous step and cannot be changed. I will also select the question type from a list, like a checkbox, list, number, or string. In this case, I am choosing string as the question type. I am creating a question called Brief Yourself in Simple Words. This question will appear on the job portal for applicants and also in the employee self-service section when someone applies for a specific job. We can link these questions to job openings based on the needs. There are also some checkboxes. Mandatory means the question must be answered. External means the question will be shown to applicants. Internal means the question will be shown to employees. Active means the question is currently in use. If you want to make the question, brief yourself in simple words, mandatory for a specific job opening, you can check the mandatory box. You have the flexibility to choose which checkboxes to select based on your specific needs. Once you have created a question, you can save it by clicking the designated Save button. After saving, the question will be added to your list of created questionnaires. This process allows you to create multiple questions as needed. I am now creating a second question in the form of a list or checkboxes. The question is, how did you hear about this vacancy? This will help us understand where applicants found out about our job opening. After selecting the checkbox, you will notice that the Options tab becomes active. This allows you to add various response options, such as newspaper, website, or internal reference. Applicants can then select one or more options that apply to them. I have created a second question titled, How did you hear about this vacancy? This question will help us understand where applicants found our job opening. For this question, I have provided 3 response options. They are newspaper, company website, or internal reference. These options are presented as checkboxes, allowing you to select one or more answers. After saving this question, you will see that each option has been assigned a sequence number. Newspaper is at sequence 10, company website is at sequence 20, and internal reference is at sequence 30. This sequence determines the order in which the options appear to the applicants. The questions we have set up will appear on the employee self-service portal when employees apply for internal job openings. They will also be visible on the applicant job portal for external candidates applying for positions. If a question is marked as mandatory, applicants must answer it before moving forward. If they try to proceed without answering a mandatory question, the system will display an error message and will not allow them to continue until it is answered. This concludes our session on configuring recruitment questions. Thank you for attending.